Premier Eurocars specializes in working on the finest in luxury and performance European automobiles. Our staff of trained technicians with years of experience, along with the support of factory diagnostic tools and sophisticated equipment, provide excellent service and support for both classic and modern European vehicles. Whether for regular maintenance, minor repairs, or extensive mechanical restoration, Premier Eurocars is your one-stop location for excellent automotive service at a reasonable price in the Philadelphia area. As winners of Best of the Main Line for import car service over the last several years, we're proud of our reputation for quality repairs and individually focused customer satisfaction. Premier Eurocars has become one of the most trusted automotive repair facilities in the Philadelphia region. We also sell gently used but economically priced European vehicles we've acquired either as customer trade-ins or at auction. We look forward to providing you with a quality and friendly automotive experience. Give us a call or visit us on the web at premiereurocars.com.